loudest muffler I've ever heard.
Oh, come on. That's impossible.
How do you figure?
This thing doesn't have a muffler. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Danator channel. We're gonna have some fun with the old Silverusto today. I've had a lot of comments in the videos in the past that they want to hear what this truck sounds like minus the cats. So right now, currently, it is mufflerless, but it still has the cats on it. So in today's video, we'll cut the cats off this thing. Right now, it's not registered or insured, so I can't drive it on the road. So I'm gonna take it up in the field and do the sound testing up there. Let's get started. All right, so what's the plan, Stan? Well, I don't have any spare piping to just cut the cats out. So what I think I'm gonna do is with a cutting wheel, just kind of cut an access hole in the catalytic converter itself and just knock out all of the honeycomb out of the side of it. And then I've got a little welder, I can weld that back together, hopefully. I got smart and put on safety glasses and got a t-shirt over my bare arm here because sparks are hot. I really don't want to breathe this, so I'm covering my face with this shirt. All right, so I've got one catalytic converter completely cleaned out. I had this fan running to keep the dust out of my face and kind of just blow it underneath the car. So I knocked out all the honeycombs, so it's completely empty right now. So just a little bit of debris left in there, and went ahead and fired it up just to see what it would sound like, and scared my dog. I went ahead and repeated the same process to the driver's side catalytic converter, cut the hole in it, punched out the honeycomb, and got it all cleaned out. All right, so we've got both cats gutted. I gotta do it. This is basically open headers right now. Microphone's going to come across, but the bass is really cranked up. Just a whoop 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 thump. You can almost feel it in your chest. See how loud this thing is from way back here.
Brace yourself.
Yeah, that ought to wake the neighbors. right, so that's really my first ever welding job. I practiced on some exhaust spare pipe, but this is the first time I've ever welded anything for the sake of fixing something. So like I said, I did the passenger side first. The welds are pretty ugly over there. I'm happy with it. It serves its purpose for what I'm trying to do. All right, so the time has come to fire this puppy up, see how it sounds. thing sounds rowdy. Just lost my mirror.